Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken macaroni soup. So the ingredients required for this recipe are I have taken one bowl of macaroni, which is also known as pasta. The spiral one I have used. You can use any shape that you want. Taken 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I have chopped French beans, 100 grams of French beans chopped. 1 big carrot chopped. This is spring onion, white I have chopped here, and green I have kept it separately. Here I have taken 1-inch ginger. Here I have taken a little bit of chicken, boneless chicken. This is 1/4 teaspoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, sugar, little bit, salt as per our taste. Apart from all these ingredients, friends, we are also going to use water to make our soup. So now let's get started. The first step is we will heat this 1 tablespoon of oil in the karai. We will heat this oil. Meanwhile, our oil is getting heated. Here we'll take the chicken. We will take the corn flour and we'll add the corn flour into the chicken. We will add little black pepper, little bit, and little bit of salt. And we'll mix the chicken and keep it aside. Now here, when our oil is heated, we will take that 1-inch piece of ginger, and you can see I have cut slits like this in the ginger. You'll make slits like this and put it in the oil. Fry it for some time. Now, after putting the onion, we will put the chicken. And we will saute it for some time. Be careful as there is water in the chicken. After the chicken changes its color a little bit, we will add the spring onion white. Friends, if you don't have spring onion white, you can put plain onion also in the soup. Just chop the onions. Saute it for some time. After sauteing it for 1 minute, as you can see the spring onion, it got cooked with the chicken and a lovely aroma is coming out at this moment. I will add the chopped carrots and the French beans. Friends, if you want, you can add chopped cabbages also in this soup. And then I will mix and let it get cooked for another 1 minute. Now, after sauteing it for 2 minutes, as you can see, my vegetables are all mixed very nicely and it's nicely cooked. I'm going to add water. Add enough water for your soup, friends. There should be enough water because when we put the pasta, it will soak. So I'm putting 5 cups of water. I will put the remaining black pepper powder. I will put the salt as per our taste. Salt as per our taste. And then the sugar. Pinch of sugar. Give it a nice stir. Mix everything. And then I'm going to cover this and let the soup boil. Now friends, as you can see, our soup is boiling now. This is the time when we will add the pasta to our soup, the macaroni. After adding the macaroni, I will mix it. And then I will add half of the spring onion green, and again cover the lid and let it boil. So our pasta or macaroni is boiled, friends. I will open the lid. Yes, as you can see, it's cooked also. The macaronis are very nicely cooked. I will just give it a stir. I will add the remaining spring onion green. And put the flame off. We'll cover and leave this for some time. So after leaving the macaroni for 1 minute, macaroni soup, I'll open the lid and see our chicken macaroni soup is now ready to serve. Here is our chicken macaroni soup ready. You can sprinkle a little bit more black pepper and serve it hot. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.